Thank you for looking at my classic Eagle Wagon. I'll assume you know about AMC Eagles and how they started the SUV revolution. I'm a collector of original, low mileage, and well-preserved survivors. For me, a survivor has to have original paint, an original engine, and mostly original interior, and also be fully functional and a car that I would let my daughter drive across country. I found this car in Chicago. It's originally from Ohio, and I bought this car for my son who needed temporary transportation for one of his employees to commute to work and avoid the CTA during the pandemic. The project is now finished and it's time to sell, and I'd like to trade up or down or sell the car outright. As you can see from the photos, it's got original paint and it's in great condition. The Eagles was purchased with approximately 68,000 miles and now has a little over 71,000. When I picked up the car, I noticed the front drive shaft boots were split, so I recently replaced the two half shafts and the brakes at the same time. The previous owner's garage and pampered the car, and it's well maintained. It comes with the original window sticker, owner's manual, sales brochure, and shop manual. The interior is mostly original, and the chrome trim from the front bumper to the rear bumper, including the window latch, is straight and also in great condition. I'm not aware of any issues, and it will always start right up after sitting for about 2 weeks. It drives and shifts smoothly without any vibrations at all speeds. After driving it for 3,000 miles, the dipstick was still full. I do have a Carfax, and it shows the complete history of the car, and the car is accident-free and has been a very reliable driver. So if you're looking for a rust-free, near grade 2 level Eagle, this is the one for you. If you need additional information or have any questions about the car, feel free to call me on my cell phone. My cell number is 631-988-5087. Once again, my name is Mark, and my cell number is 631-988-5087. Thank you, and enjoy the day.